YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Today I'm doing a collaboration with Kiki from Kiwanna's Kitchen. Y'all, this is what I need y'all to do for all the YouTube family right now. Y'all, please help me out. Please go over there to Kiwanna's Kitchen, man, and check out her YouTube cooking channel. I'm telling you, you'll love everything that she does. She do DIYs, you know what I'm saying? She cooks, she bakes. And I'm telling you, you'll love this channel. So go over there and see exactly what she's cooking up for this here video collaboration. Now, before you do anything else, YouTube fam, do me a favor. Go over there and hit that subscribe button, okay? Hit that red subscribe button. When you do, hit that notification bell also so you'll be notified of up-and-coming videos. Come on, y'all, let's get into this video. I'm taking y'all back home. Yes, I am. I'm telling you right now, this is how I'm taking you back home. We're doing some corn and peas from the can. These are ingredients: black pepper, parsley flakes, Italian seasoning, Cajun seasoning, and some minced garlic. How am I taking you back home? This is what you used to eat when you was young back in the days. I'm telling you, a lot of us, man, love some canned peas and corn. I don't know about y'all, but I know I did. But this is how I fix it. I got me a skillet. The heat is set on medium-high heat. Just take your cans and I want you to drain all of them except for one. Go ahead and dump those into an iron skillet if you have one. If you don't have an iron skillet, don't worry about it. Get a pot. Put your corn in there and your peas. But remember to drain your corn if you're cooking with 4 cans. Drain all 3 cans except for one. And there's a reason for this. Now, after you've done that, I want you to take all your seasonings that you've seen before this video and just add it. Something about to happen, y'all. I'm taking y'all back to your childhood. Some of us are even eating this right now. I forgot to tell y'all, I put in a half a stick of butter into this here pot. I'm telling you, it's gonna make it taste good, y'all. Now I want you to take 2 tablespoons of garlic. If you don't want to use that much garlic, you can also opt out and use 1 tablespoon of garlic. But here, I added 2 tablespoons of garlic. This is the reason why I left the juice in 1 can. You want to cook this until the juice evaporates down a little. You see here how the juice evaporated? Once that's done, hey, it's ready to serve up and eat. But how many of you remember this back in the days growing up in your childhood? Some of us, even like me, I'm eating this still today because of that. I'm telling you guys, you got to try this recipe. I'm serious. Everything came together, and this side dish is phenomenal. I don't know about you, but I would definitely eat this 10 times over. I'm serious. You can have this with anything: fried chicken, pork chop, neck bones, turkey necks. I don't care. Whatever. If you want, you can still have it with some chicken and dumplings. Why not? But this is what I want you to do. Check out my girl Kiwanna's Kitchen. Tell her that Ray Mack sent you. Okay, let's do it. Also, check me out on YouTube. If you ain't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. I also want to say thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos. If you could, please, it would definitely help me out. Check out these videos right here. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know what you would like to see in the future. I love you guys. Love and not hate. Love somebody.